How do you recognize a real monster when it hides inside a gentleman's suit? Most supercars shout for attention. Flashy, desperate. But the BMW M5 walks in quietly and lets the fear follow it. Because the M5 isn't here to impress you. It's here to remind you why power should always be respected. Let's talk about the sedan that forgot it's a sedan. The attitude. Look at the M5, just look at it. No wild spoilers, no childish flames, no unnecessary drama. Just a clean, sharp and surgical silhouette, crafted with the confidence of something that knows it can outrun almost anything on the road. The M5 doesn't need to shout. It intimidates in silence. This isn't design. This is elegance sharpened into a weapon. The heart of the beast. Open the hood, and the real story begins. A 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, built for controlled aggression. 600-plus horsepower, 750 Nm torque, and a launch so violent, it feels like the world is moving backward. BMW didn't build this engine to scare you. They built it to seduce you into speed. Step inside, and the M5 drops the mask completely. Merino leather that feels like luxury, stitching sharp enough to match the exterior attitude, and seats that hug you, like the car is preparing you for something dangerous. The ambient lighting glows softly, blue, red, white, but every color feels like a warning sign. The digital cluster, the M-mode buttons, the carbon trims, the thick M steering wheel, everything whispers. You're not here to relax, you're here to take control. And when you press that little red M button, the entire car changes personality in a heartbeat. This is not an interior. This is a cockpit built for war. The dual personality, the dangerous part, it's polite, comfortable, quiet, until you tap the throttle. Just one tap, and everything turns wild. The M5 doesn't accelerate. It teleports 0 to 100 in around 3 seconds. In a car that carries your whole family and still has room for groceries. This shouldn't be possible. But the M5 makes it feel normal. The control. You expect a car this powerful to be unpredictable, but the M5 is too smart for that. X-Drive keeps it planted. ME mode turns it into a rear-wheel animal, and the steering reacts like it already knew what you were thinking. Before you even moved your hands, floor it, and the car grips the road like the asphalt owes it money. This isn't just performance. This is precision disguised as chaos. Why it's special? There are luxury sedans. There are performance sedans. There are supercars. But only one machine combines silence, violence, luxury, intelligence, and brutality into a single body. The M5 isn't trying to be the fastest, or the loudest, or the most expensive. It's trying to be something else, the most complete performance car ever built. The truth, the world respects speed, but it fears control, and the BMW M5 is the perfect blend of both. This is the only car that can take you to dinner in silence, massage your back, treat you like royalty, then in one heartbeat, shatter the horizon like it never existed. This is not a sedan. This is a warning. That real power doesn't need to scream. Real power whispers and still shakes the world. This is the BMW M5, the most civilized way to unleash absolute chaos. Comment below your favorite car, and I'll make sure to bring it to life next. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.